Hello students, you are the future chartered accountants of India. I am C Abhijith Acharya, welcoming you for today's video classes. This is today's our YouTube channel, that is Abhi CA Classes. Today I am not discussing to take any classes. Okay, today I am going to discuss with regard to the ICAI notification, recent notification on 25th January 2024 about the exam dates, right? And also the what would be your strategy after the exam dates have been announced. It's the third thing. The second thing I want to discuss with regard to how to avoid the overthinking, because some students are still in doubt whether exam would be postponed or not. Okay. First, we'll discuss the exam dates that have been announced by ICAI. Okay. I think most of you have already gone through this notification, but this is my duty to give more clarification with regard to this. Okay. 25th January, the ICAI, our reputed ICAI, has announced the exam dates for CA foundation examinations will be conducting on 20th, 22nd, 24th, and 26th of June. This would be the same date, even though the actual election would be conducted, because election would be conducted in the month of May, obviously. So these foundation exam dates will be same, I think, in my opinion. Okay, the intermediate examination under new course, because for from May 2024 onwards only new course will be applicable, so only 6 papers would be there, and 3rd May, 5th May and 7th May would be the first group, and 9th May, 11th May and 13th May for second group students. Okay, for final examination would be conducting on 2nd, 4th, 6th, 1 day gap will be there of the May month, and 8th, 10th and 12th for the second group students here final examinations. By considering these dates, it would be as of now it would be conducting as on this date. No confusion in this regard to this. And they have also mentioned the timing for those papers. You can read it out from the notification. You can simply from the ICA site. Okay, and they have mentioned the centers, the name of centers. If you are giving examinations in Karnataka and Jharkhand, Kerala, etc., various states in which the centers the exam will be conducted, they have given the notification in the notification. Don't worry regarding that. And the another thing, the examination form will be actually opened from 2nd of February 2024 till 23rd February 2024 for final, and the intermediate for foundation it will be the same date, 2nd February and 23rd February. So if you forgotten to apply for ACA that examination date, it would be postponed to 2nd March 2024 with the fine also. So you can remember, you can also read it out from this notification, the exam fees. Okay, if you are appearing for CA intermediate, if you are going to appear for CA one group, then 1,500, and for both groups, then 2,700. Okay, for CA final examinations, single in India, single group 1,800, little bit higher. For both groups, 3,300. Okay, you can go read. But at the end, this is one confusing. At the end, they have mentioned, it is pertinent to mention that the general election to 18th Lok Sabha are scheduled to be held in 2024, notification for which is awaited, which is going to announced in upcoming month, that is in February most probably. And accordingly examination committee may reschedule, they have mentioned the reschedule the May 24 examinations. Don't worry with regard to that. I think it would be, if the exam dates would be rescheduled, it would be applicable only for CA intermediate and CA final students only applicable. For CA foundation students, it won't be affected, because it would be conducted in the month of June, right? If the dates of general election coincide with the present examination schedule, they have clearly mentioned. If it is making any conflict with regard to the dates mentioned in the notification, then they will definitely reschedule the examination dates. Don't worry with regard to that. This is all about the notification. Now the main part is, some students are just thinking about exam would be postponed, you can see the various YouTube channels. They're simply spreading the news. The exam would be postponed to actually May 15th, May 20th. These are nonsense, I think. Don't listen, don't hear to those of the false information. I am remembering you, I am focusing, I am strictly avoiding those of the newses. If it is strictly, if it is what you call, if it is notified by ICAI only, then you can believe. The more important is, by simply overthinking the dates, you are not focusing on the studies. Your time now is to focus on your studies only. You can do only those things which are in your hand, right? You cannot change the things which are not in your hand. For example, these exam dates, it is not in your hand. What is in your hand is to focus on the studies. You utilize the days in a best possible manner. If you don't utilize that, then you will obviously will fail. Definitely, I will assure you, you will fail. So I am suggesting you to not to hear those of the faltu the news as false notification. Okay, I'm strictly avoiding that. Okay, then the third thing I want to say one thing, that with regard to our YouTube classes, we have completed his salary chapter. The income from house property will be coming on Monday. Don't worry with regard to that. And many students are requesting, sir, when the exam, what is the date of completing this whole chapters? I would say we will try to complete as soon as possible. Don't worry regarding that. We also understood. I am also understanding your pain. I am also understanding your the feelings, right? I am also lived that life. So don't worry. With by keeping your point of view, by keeping your feelings, we'll try to complete as soon as possible. Don't worry with regard to that. But keep supporting us. Then by simply pressing the subscription button, and also share this YouTube channel to the n number of students. By simply telling, be focus on your study. That's it. Focus, focus, focus. Because if you fail to focus on yourself, then there is more chance of failing. I assure you that. Okay, so don't listen to those false notification, false news. Ignore it. Ignorance is bliss in this case. Okay, I'm again telling you, don't listen to this. Don't hear those words. If your friend is also telling, and strictly tell to him, don't hear those words. Don't tell those words, because it is not been approved by ICAI. If it is approved by ICAI, then it is okay. But you have to prepare your studies very well, right? So by actually this is the very short video. I want to convey this message. Okay, don't worry and have a nice day. And actually, before winding, I am again telling you, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Abhi CA Classes. Okay, see you in the next classes. Bye bye. Have a nice day. See you.